Japanese Buddhist Mute Kangbu Amana, Manipur Governor Unaduna, Manipur Apamari, Tamana Bakanakre Amadi Ziribam the House Land Service at Ribasi, Patalena Masum Kaslan Kandu, Nanabani, Lam Lotion, and Banate, Minister Karam Sam of Fongokre. Krumzari, I used to be a Palming Tabiri Sing Taram Nokchari. I was more of a pause and shut on a pizzari. Bixu Gyomyo Nakamura Singba Mahana Lusimba, Japanese Buddhist delegate Taramatoina, Sabatima Manipur Governor Dr. Nezma Haptulaga Razbahon the Unakre, Japanga Manipurga Puari Tanka Kaya, the Leneraki Mari Yenglaga, Hena Sepamari Tamna Bakanakre. Nakamurana, Manipur concert Asi. Anisuba Maliam Gilanzao the Lake Hidraba Amadi Awana Takraba Japan Amadi India Lanmis Nimapum the Lashon Tinson Toba Amadi Hakalaka Tawalakani State Government Mong Chumna Amadi Kudung Saba Cameroon Pirabadi Japan Gilam Koibus Hankat and Honagani Haki.
Relationship between India and Japan for cultural tie-up, and also we have a lot of economic tie-up, and also we have a lot of reason to making friendship between India and Japan for stabilizing situation in Asian countries. Today I requested governors, if state government providing good roads and facilities, I will promote for Japanese tourists.
Governor Dr. Nazma Haptulana, Anisuba Malim Gilanzao, the Manipur Musung Japan Gimarakta Pabamari Tamduna Lakli, Hiramasida India Prime Minister Narendra Modi da Kangan Kibalere, Japan Gimut Kambu Oma, Manipur the Lakli Basina, Hana de Lenarakli Bamari, Hena Session Hanmangam Lagani. Japan su Manipur Damakta Karigumbakara Toba Pamli, Hybadu, Tubumatamda, Tabakto Ontorkani, Habit Hazabale Haiki.
I wrote to the Honorable Prime Minister that Manipur has a very close relation with Japan, and I would like the Japanese should build the roads in Manipur so that we are connected for the entire Southeast Asia. Japan had a very close relation from the Second World War. We have a war memorial, we have got their cemetery over here, and Japan wants to do something with us, with Manipur specifically, and I'm sure soon we'll have many more relations with Japan, and more tourists will come over here.
Housing Ziribam District Land Service at Ribasi Patale Namasung Khas Land Masak Kangdok Nanabani, Masida Survey Sibu, Miamgi, Lam Lokshan and Mohonabani Haina Tongamas, Handolibasi, Taza Vidanaba, Revenue Minister Karam Sam Napil Dori, Niminigi Concerta Ziribam the Satuna, Sakot Torang Pibum Yangsin, but the Wapamas Minister and Permission the Pondo Kibani, Minister Namakatana, Ziribam Gilamgi, Maputi, Jiri the Kundari Miamni, Depamena, Tatakliba Kuntang Asida, Miam Namateng, Pangvina Bapuning Jingshinki. Minister na Boro Bekra su sa tunong pamudugi sa Kotorang films ng Yangshinki, kilometer kutramanga sangba Boro Bekra lambi gipibam. Maong saram dabada Minister na lum na lobagaloy na lambi asigi pibam paganahan bagaloy na Boro Bekra subdivision ng infrastructure paganahan na ba Marile na ba Minister da puning Jingshin gani haki. Minister bu Boro Bekra High Secondary School gi mahiroy masung osasing na haraw taram na oki. Minister na mahiru singbu puning thawul aduna punsida mai papangam na ba pandam ama thamgadabani ojasing na hawruk liba mahiru singi lawriba thodangbu sakhang baga lonena state asigi chakwa thorangi damakta nomadi angama mateng pangna ba phaba mahiru puthokna nabagi damak ojasing na makhata na kana hona binana basu appeal tawki. Minister na FCS godown Ziribam film su Yangshinki court case lotion daba masung lam lotion with apan bo ibadigi godown si lotion mangamdre hain official sing na kanghanki hojik leiriba godown ania si metric ton lotion tara chanba lupa crore amaga lakh marfudara ni pan sang na sagat pani joint survey ama tawruba batung lemhori thabak sing atop agency amada sinaduna lotion na mohon organi hain minister na phongdoki godown gi hojik oriba phibam sadaba mong ubada minister na nungai taba phongdop ga loina na wapamasi chief minister amasung cabinet ta puthok tuna khanargani. Minister na DC office building manung dalaiba consumer affairs ki office su Yangshinki. Minister Sam ki khongsak adu da Ziribam gi MLA Sabudin, consumer affairs ki commissioner K Radha Kumar, revenue commissioner TA Sutaranjan su saruyaki. Amaromda Mar Women Association namadi Mar Women Society na lusing duna Ziribam gi Soto Bekra dagi Bora Khan lambi da singmi taba pham sing da survey toba yaroi haina nupi mayam thorok tuna lambi thinggi khongjang sangshin khre. ngarang ziri bam dagi survey team ma lakani habgi pau phangmadagi makhoi changaloi haiduna ngaiduna leiki government na ziri bam gi singmi tabalam singda survey toroi habgi sabsaba thazaba pidriba phawa khojang sinimit khudingi junction gani hari Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department Center ke santang makhada packet pa mission for integrated development of horticulture ge beneficiaries singi sanpam mathak thongba singi pinanaba lupal sing kunthra dingna ni phu phaw kai haina ukul district horticulture ge makhada leiba beneficiary amana phongduruk leiba wafam karamba officer da pikibano check number na singba khudam sangdam pirak na horticulture minister T.S. Sham Kumar na phongdokre Secretariat leiba mahaki office ta pangto paw gi mifam amada minister na makhatana minister nongthomam birian lusing government asina aran ba tawba amata leitri karigumba aran ba tawba lerabasu sabsaba action logani media da haibi yai haidona pangai haijin ba tobiganu karigumba sabsaba khudam sangdam piba ngamdrabadi aingi oiba thabak lokhat kani horticulture department na pakhaliba thabak thom singda pen da lerabadi mahak masada wakat piu amadi government na pakhaliba scheme sing asige kanaba lobiu haiki
mim na khoi horticulture department na toriba mayam sing asi अकोगी नुआइतबा सस्पेक्ट लेबा पेंदबा लेरगदी डिपार्टमेंट दा डायरेक्ट लागा एंगोंदा नत्रग डायरेक्ट आई बीसीएम पिरा कांदा सबचान ममुतान खंगबा यागने अदु नतबिदा अकोगी मारागा अकोगी केनोदा हाइनिंग बा इंडिया से सेकुलर डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री नि हाइदगसु ngang ngang ba yai freedom of speech ni haidagasu siumba department of post adi concrete ba evidence of port khakto aina complaint to biro ngang biro adu natana akogi yamna koi lebak miyam da department lanam chathinaba tabuk tawgira kanu haidana ai midak thon appeal tawri adu haiba tabuk miyam singa si ha beneficiary masa singdo akoina sport satlani mafam badu huji within a short days ngasi noni mung sport satla kan mane pakari tabak to kamai pakai pano adu masana so madugi check to magi chening le ramgani adu miyam do su mas da lakko phakta madu ready to thambiramo adu haiba miyam singa do sabchana chumagadi mara leba officer do action lawgani karingumba mana हाइरा मग अरान बोर मगदी हाइबा सी कंप्लेंट तो फार्मासी माय मथक आइन गे एक्शन
अरोंग खुंजों मयाई लेकाई दगी सही तराग मरी खक्ता ngairibi lokrakpam Rajeswari Chanuna mahaki madomsa amadi madomsa gi masabu imphal turenda irak nabadagi thauna phana kalam laga lekitrabi Rajeswari da sayasigi National Children Bravery Award piragani lauthokre mana asi lisingani taraga nipan gi Republic Day gi mangoinana Delhi da pangthokadawa khanaba thorum amada Prime Minister na pigani award se lekitrabi Rajeswari gi mopwanupa lokrakpam Rakesh na lawrugani hari Notice Development Party asna Nupilal da sarup yakiba leikitraba ima sing mafam de kai khumna ba utkre lamdom sigi ima bil sing na utkiba thona lingjen aduna nga sigi mirol da hanba leitaba thona lingjen adumak manghandana thamba orisnu hari pawgimok thana break amta lomis
Excel Furniture Changangai Uchekonda Legana flat 30% discount featuring L-shaped sofa amasung 311 sofa na chingbasu 45,000 amasung 36,000 rupees ta pizari. Masiga loina na customized over design amasung repairing ki kudong chabasu pizari. Limited stock ni links in biraksi Excel Furniture Changangai Uchekon. Ako pumarogi damak makagi number sing asida contact to biro.
Class 9-10 tamiba. I think metric target to sing division to coaching center now.
Live coaching center is a home time in an hour in a whole position holder may have to talk about. So talk about the singing about the live coaching center is
Jolip 100% natural syrup. Amasung capsule. You thakpadagi oirakpa awaba chaitheng hakjangi liver soklakpadagi kuchu sengaktaba haksang soktharakpa tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hamba nungairaktaba singbu phanba ngamba amata ngairaba upaidi Jolip syrup amasung capsule diabetes singidamakta Jolip capsule chabiu
Imphal East West amadi Bisnupur district oina makhal khudingi apamba 2 3 amasung 4-wheelers na chingbagi gari guarantor yaudana loan lawbiba yagani deposit toba numita apamba gari su pangbigani pambiba miyoi singna unabiu Imphal Finance Head Office Moirangkhom Loklaubung Branch Offices Pauna International Market amasung Bisnupur Bazar Bisnupur
Manipur Miam gi nungai raba pau Sky Hospital da world class international cardiology ki khudong chaba lejare operation tokdina device na heart ki ahoba menba Sky Hospital la sai ani gi mamang dagi mai pangna pakthokna lakni RBS ki amasung Sky Hospital ki kusam naraga lakiba December ki tang 13 ta angang singbu device na heart ki ahoba menba ki operation pakthok sagani OT amasung hospital charge free oigani akupa marul gi damak Sky Hospital gi reception ga tanabiu
Forcible launched injection molded school shoes in Northeast India by Romi Industries. Get a combo pack offered at ₹300 per 2 pairs in black and white. Let your children smile. Encourage Manipuri Industries. Visit Romi showroom at Kuyatong, Singzamay and Kwaketel.
Berarti matungda makata pau pizari. Nauria pakhang lakpa BJP bandalna health services ko kusam naduna lem na layang mige Thromama Kumari High School hiang thang da pangthokre kemadu da miwi kemarum layang bagaloi na hidalang thak sing phangan ki kemadu bu yingsin bala ki MLA S Subhash Chandrana anda cabin in ayaba piduna primary health center khara community health center da on khat pada mekola PAC yahuda badu official singya sobini government asigi sai ama phabi throm mangoina na mekola PAC asi community health center se sigi thak ta soidana on khat lagani haiki
andam sida leiba Ipung kudi maksi masa mau fana layan ba inga sase lakuloy na nangai tabak suru mayam singdu adugi ipung kudi masa mau fana ayay fana tiyak tak kaidana layan mi pandam da adum pangthok game amani mekola community health center cabinet ki keno decision de lawna loirabani adu list fu da yahuda badu ai koi official gi asoi bani aduna mathangi keno sida soini yawrani haino honorable minister na thaja chapsana
CSIR MSME amasung DST New Delhi Makada CSIR Central Leaders Research Institute CNI amasung CSIR Northeast Institute of Science and Technology Branch Laboratory Imphal na punna sinduna lamdam asigi miyam gi sel thumgi phibam phagat pangamna ba awang nongpo ki textile material amasung mausana phangma fibers singa punsin aduna sound gi pothok sing pothokna na bigi matang da seminar ama Northeast Institute of Science and Technology lamphel pata pangthokre autopagi torumda Northeast Region Vision 2020 Steering Committee hani member Professor N Mahendra CSIR Central Leader Research Institute Chennai ki head Dr. K Krishnaraj Manipur Science and Technology Council ki Director T Surendranath ICM Director Dr. N Ranjana Sarvyaki CSIR Northeast Institute of Science and Technology ki Principal Scientist Dr. S Bir Kumarna punjida mai pa ke khalabadi shana pamil belambi edu da mai puna na thabak tawba changi maduna hona zamangi mahi phangani haiki Professor N Mahendrana phurup ama sakona bahona bada kan suba noma matau tai imung manung hupna thabak sunom na nungai ba imung ama uhen mangami industries ama mapung phana salaina ba hona bada imung manung puna thabak tawina ba matau tai haiki
design guys mau gori ni mau gora concentrate gori ni time money energy everything concentrating on that particular line of thinking but I don't say that we must walk back from the battlefield what I mean is you are facing a number of hurdles and difficulties like the
RDO College of Nursing na sinduna numit nini sathakataba nursing education program ngasidagi lamsang dalaiba college asida hodokre thormaduda Manipur Nursing Council gi register KS Ratna RDO gi chairman W Brajabidu DM College of Nursing gi assistant professor and Nomika RDO College of Nursing lamsangi vice principal Y Anusri Susarwyaki nursing education program asina anoba medical ga mari lenana lying sing amasung anaba sing lena ga ba mari phagana na ba hena professional o hena ba chathabni haina Anusri na phongdoki
nursing education in nursing is a planned activity directed toward meeting the learning needs of the nurses. The nursing education program is important for the nurses to continue their education so that they can remain aware of and keep up to date with medical advances and new research. to sharpen the communication skills, to improve the occupational and personal knowledge, skills, and attitudes of vested employees.
Rang Impal More Lamigi Kuding Tabidale Batranitui Suba, some rifle post Nasa Oxing Sector Buda, More Rom the Gitolapa, Pulsar, Tondula, Pamu Yamadi, WY, tablet, listen of the Chahum, Kutraga, Manga, Kona Pare. Pagalu Sigming, Namkulal, Totankawi, say Kungataruni, Pop, Hemkulun Kawi, Sunu Police Station Manuchan, but Lam Satagin Harry, Parbu Yamasum Polum Singarang, Numidang, More Police the Kushner Cre. Nongsing Pibum Patabana Tramari Suba State Level Orange Festival Gi, Orange Queen Contest Pangtok to Nalaki Badunga Sea, Tamelong District Headquarter, Lower Ground, the Pangtolagani. Like Segi Contest Asida, Delhi Dimapur, Kohimana Sing with the Yauna Toan contestant, Kungo Humdoina Orange Queen Gitamaka Sanctum Nagani. IST Paul Lok Toka the Bamusung Uwasing Kakata Maramna, Koma Substation the Gi, 11 KB 1K1, Feeder Piriba. Line Haying Ayuk Pung Taratagi Nungtil Pung Homakai Power Maitarway, Masinamaram Uerga, Peter's Nakwamba, Gongba, Nongtumbum Lekai, Wankai Lesum Lekai, Wankai Mayum Lerak, Lay Makatel, Gongpal Sanam Lekai, Mutum Lekai, Nungtil Saibi, Porompat Muslim Lerak, Angom Tong, Ketri Bangun, Awang Lekai, Mayai Lekai, Mina Bazar, Amasung Ramania Ground, Consumer Sina, May Pangloy Haina, MSPDCL Giti SD 6 Key Manager Getcherolaman Kangalagli. Handak suki banong Impal West District manung sana leba mayang langsing ya kubi local sing low pari kungi phawai amadi khawdolaga thamba phobon sing sing thumjinduna lokpa yadaba phibam mamda leire masina maram orga lomi sing lakadruba sahiya sada waba khudong sadaba mayok nargani mari lenaba local MLA amadi government ki mari lenaba loshang na mayang sangbiduna awaba taraba lomi sing gi mateng pangbina ba mayang langsing youth library club na pungning singsili Housing Mari Lenaba Law Ama Government na Sambinaba Indigenous People Association of Kalaipak Ipak Manipur Puning Singsili. Lupasina Housing Tindura Libasida Club Mera Pai Civil Society Organizations Sing Namating Pang Badagi Norma Kangan Houses Hanaramba du Lepre Lebang Yam gi Mahut Laga Sangsila Liba Konganga Sibulan 100 Libasi Ipak na Sabsana Tengani Konganga Sida Miam gi Mihut Odiba Minister MLA Singna Development namadi sana kuna bagi mingda hausi silak pa madi silib lang libu sing puning tawat piganu DC SB singda hausi tingna ba mari lena ba serol sing sufficient kre club community hall cinema hall sing ba hausi sana bagi ya ba pibiganu hari zalo silak pada mori ba pawam kan pijari Japanese Buddhist mute kangbu mana Manipur governor unaduna Manipur ga pawam mari thamna ba khana kre amadi Ziribam Housing Land Service at Ribasi Patale and Masum Cast and Kandung and Abani Lam Lotion and Vanate Minister Karam Sound of Fondo. Also, get the IST visible form of the solutions. Young Tabidu Sam Kundum.